put food in an air fryer and pulled it out like this? Dry outside, raw inside, or worse, completely overcooked. Because most air fryers cook at a single temperature from start to finish. But cooking isn't linear. Upliance Airfryer was built around this reality. It uses the texture control technology with dynamic heat that adapts to your desired textures. From juicy to crunchy and everything in between. One dish, one air fryer, different bites. Powered by real-time cooking data and guided through the Upliance app. It understands how food behaves and adapts as it cooks. This is texture control, built around how air-fried food should actually cook. Upliance Air Fryer, built for the texture you want. Real food, zero fuss.